Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Well, tonight I'm going to be cooking something a bit special, well, a bit tasty really. It's Chinese chicken wings. Super sticky Chinese chicken wings to be exact. Now, these are the ingredients that I've assembled here just to show you very quickly. Not to worry if you don't catch it, because I'm going to run through this slowly as we go into the video. We're obviously going to need the chicken wings, that's for sure. We're going to need some soy sauce there, some garlic, lemon juice, some ginger, some sesame oil, Chinese 5-spice. Here I have some oyster sauce, some hoisin sauce, Chinese cooking wine, some soft dark brown sugar and some ketchup. So that's all of those bits done, and yeah, stay tuned and we'll carry on. Now we need a hefty bowl to put our marinade in, and we start by adding 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, in that goes 2 tablespoons full of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons full of cooking wine or thereabouts, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons full of brown sugar, dark brown sugar, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice, 2 teaspoons full of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce, and finally we're going to pop in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. In that goes. Then we can give this all a good mix together. Get everything incorporated and don't miss the bits around the edge. Then add the chicken pieces. In go all the wings. Then we're going to thoroughly mix these by hand, which is the easiest way to do it. It's much easier than using a spoon. Get the mix all over. Then a very quick wash of the hands and on with some cling film. We'll put this over and clamp it around the edge, cut it off and leave this to marinate for about an hour minimum, longer if you've got the time. Now I've lined a baking tray with non-stick aluminium foil, and I'm going to lay the chicken wings in there. They've been marinating for about an hour now. So we'll pop these in here. They're just going to fit, hopefully. There we go, one more to go. We'll pop that one in the corner there, pull this along a little bit. Now we've got a little bit of spare marinade, so what I'll do is put that over the top. Then these can go into a preheated oven, gas smart for 350F or 180C for about 30 to 40 minutes. And then we'll check them. We need them to go in that oven until they're sort of a really rich colour and sort of starting to fall off the bone a bit. So let's pop them in. So these wings have had about 15 minutes now, so they're nowhere near cooked, but I'm going to give them a turn around. They're starting to look good. They smell incredible. A bit stuck there, but we'll sort that out. So much for non-stick tin foil. I didn't want it to make a hole in there, not really. The juices might run through. So I've got a bit of marinade left over. And we'll pop that on there, pick some from up underneath. Then it's back in the oven. So after 45 minutes in the oven, this is what we end up with. A super sticky Chinese chicken wing. Now let's give it a taste test. Well, it's super sticky, all right, and really tasty, all those flavours coming through. But please try this for yourself. It's not that difficult and it's really worth it, worth the effort. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see everybody again on the next video. So bye for now.